Is food cheaper in
South Africa.
Australia?
or New Zealand?
It's the Tri-Nation Special.
Ooh, I didn't think you two would want to talk about rugby after that last game.
Alice, what happened in the last game?
You don't want to know.
Today, we're making Nujan Marcy's coconut pudding.
Sounds delicious.
You can find it in my new book on page 54. But let's get started. Anak, I'm hoping you have a blender. But if you don't have a blender, perfectly fine. You can also do this without a blender.
Who needs a blender when you got these?
2 slices of bread. Throw it into our blender.
2 slices of white bread.
Or brown bread, we're not racist.
500 ml of milk.
Milk going in.
Alice is slowly turning into a singing channel.
Condensed milk.
I love this stuff so much.
You can't even see the can.
Wreck-It Ralph hands.
2 extra large eggs.
Yes, chef.
It's not the size of your eggs, it's the cost. They're expensive.
Vanilla.
I like how none of us are measuring.
Coconut.
Who, me?
And I love coconut so much. Oh my goodness. This is like my favorite ingredients ever combined in a pudding.
Right, lid on. Let's blend this baby up.
Ringa ringa 2000, baby.
Fill that baby up.
I really like this plate.
I like that boulder. That's a nice boulder.
And now you're going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes until it just gets nice and brown on the edges. It's still a little wobbly in the middle. Bye, baby.
See you later.
Cockity.
Guys,
That smells incredible.
a little bit of a jiggle jiggle.
Gonna let this cool, pop it in the fridge.
You get yourself one of those dessert creams, any kind of thickened cream.
Couldn't find any dessert cream here in New Zealand, but we do have thickened cream.
Ditto here in Australia.
Add in a touch of sugar, like 2 teaspoons-ish.
A little bit of sugar.
Measured with my salmon eyeballs.
Cream over.
Yum.
Grated milk chocolate and just sprinkle it over.
And then the chocolate.
Just be very generous. Officially
Dunzos.
done those.
And it looks delicious.
Is it cheaper to make it in South Africa, Australia, or New Zealand? I mean, I don't think anybody's going to notice a little taste, are they? Nobody's going to see this little corner, like maybe this little corner.
No one's even gonna notice.
That has to be one of my favorite recipes I've tried.
Holy moly, this is actually so good.
And it's so easy. It's almost like a souffle.
Goodbye to my diet.
You just need to try it. Just go and make it.
Thank you so much, Fems, for joining us.
Make sure you check out our cookbook, Damn Good Food, because this is damn good.
Let us know what country you want us to compare with next.
Drop it in the comments.
Okay, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.